So recently, around a couple of weeks back, I have got call from MI saying that I have won a coupon and they asked for my address. So I have gave them my address and they sent me this parcel. So what's in this parcel? Please check out. And this was the parcel. What's inside this parcel? Let's please check. This was coming from Amit Kumar. And you know what? This wasn't even sealed package. So what's inside? It looks like some kind of paper was inside that. So yes, this was the paper inside that. It doesn't look like coming from MI. It shows online shopping private limited, and it shows some kind of prices and one form. So what? Just a paper inside the package? There could be something more. Let's just check package once again. There could be something. Yes, there is one card. Just scratch the card. It's look like something code inside that. Yes. It's look like a car. Yes, it's a car. What, just a car? You scratch it more. Yes, there was a code. What, just that's it? They have sent me a coupon and they have sent me a scratch card. No man, this is not from MI. This is from some kind of third party. Just don't believe fraud agencies who call you and they say you that you have got price from MI or any kind of companies. This is just fraud. Online shopping private limited. This is just fraud. They don't even have mentioned their website name. This is just fraud, man. Don't believe all these kind of things. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Vamsi's Geeky Telugu.